free, open, fair trade. It's pretty simple. Free, open, fair.
Wait, what does fair mean?
Fair means we treat our trading partners the way they treat us. The president calls it reciprocal. We should be reciprocal in the way we treat each other. We would prefer that no one have tariffs, that we have free and open trading borders. But if you want to insist on having a tariff on a product, which we prefer you not, the president believes that we should treat you in a reciprocal fashion and that we should tax your product coming into the United States. And that is free, that is open, and that is fair. That would be his definition of fair. So the example he will use, and it's a good example because it's going on in the world today, is cars. You know, if we manufacture a car in the United States and ship it to certain countries, they put a large tariff on that car. If they manufacture a car, they can send it to the United States for a very small tariff. That's not fair.
And where do you think that you can make the greatest gains with respect to opening up foreign markets? I'll talk a little bit about imports in a second, but are there places that are low-hanging fruit that you think that you can make immediate gains?
On our exports?
Yes.
Yeah, we can increase exports everywhere. We are becoming a better and better manufacturer. As I said, we've got cheap energy, we've got better technology. As we continue to improve our infrastructure, we'll improve our availability to get things to market, and we'll continue to leverage upon those assets of our economy, and we'll be a better and better exporter, but we've got to do it on a level playing field.
Lots of folks in the administration about manufacturing jobs. I'm all for manufacturing. I'm all for manufacturing jobs. Got lots of relatives that work on assembly lines, but it's only 10% of the economy, 8% of the workforce. We actually run a trade surplus in services and a huge trade surplus in financial services because we're really good at it. Why don't we hear more from the administration about services and financial services as a comparative advantage for the U.S.?
Maybe we're just not talking loud enough, but we're talking about it. I mean, when we were in Florida 2 weeks ago talking with the Chinese.
The Chinese are opening up the markets.
We were talking a lot about them opening up more to our service industry, giving our U.S. companies broader access, allowing U.S. companies to own 100% of their Chinese joint ventures. Many of those companies have been there 10 plus years, which was the original rule that you have to be a joint venture partner for 10 years. Many of our companies have been there for more than 10 years. We were talking about the ability for full ownership, the ability to run bigger businesses, which is more and more service exports. So we're talking about it, and we're talking about it quite a bit. Maybe we need to do a better job of just making sure everyone's hearing us on the service side.
I mentioned this morning that the Reagan administration was incredibly aggressive with respect to import policies. They put on tariffs on steel, on textiles, on motorcycles, on autos, on sugar. Milton Friedman said that the Reagan administration made Smoot-Hawley look absolutely benign. So given that we often put Reagan administration on a pedestal, is that the right baseline to judge you, or are you getting a bad rap because we're trying to judge you against a theoretical world of free trade?
Look, I don't know what the right baseline is. The right baseline to judge us against is, do we grow the economy? Do we create a better environment for U.S. citizens? Do we put more people to work? Do we give them better jobs? Does their life get better? Do more people end up getting a job that they want? Do more people have a quality of life that they want? Do more kids end up going into places they want to go? Do people live where they want to live? And at the end of our administration, do people feel like their life and their quality of life, their standard of life, and their future is better than it was the day we got here? If we did that, that's what we should be compared against.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.